Christmas traditions around the world. Year 5.3, Miss Susan and Miss Denise.
Christmas traditions in Malta, nativity scene presepe. Most Catholic families in Malta and Gozo will own at least one presepe. You can find cribs from all sorts of materials and tiny figures representing both humans and animals. Baby Jesus. The baby Jesus is placed in a manger. And next to baby Jesus will put the Virgin, Filipino. Decorative lights. Residents also decorate their houses with lights from the simple static lights in windows to whole balconies.
The Maltese traditional Christmas lunch. It is still the traditional in Malta from all the family together in one house and celebrate Christmas Day together. Chicken broth and baked macaroni are usually prepared as first dishes in this exquisite lunch. The main dish is usually chicken or pork. The meal is finished off with fresh fruits like oranges and tangerines. Delicious sweets are served afterwards as dessert. These are the chestnut pie and the honey tree puddings. Sometimes, hot chestnut and chocolate beverage is prepared.
Christmas in Australia. In Australia, Christmas comes in the beginning of summer holidays. Children have their summer holidays from mid-December to early February, so some people might even be camping at Christmas. One of the best countries to decorate their houses and gardens with Christmas lights. In Australia, people go and visit their friends and often have barbecues at the beach. Most families try to be home together at Christmas, and the main meal is normally eaten at lunchtime in the sun.
British Christmas traditions. The Christmas tree. The Christmas tree became popular in England in 1841 when Queen Victoria's husband, Prince Albert, brought a Christmas tree over from Germany and put it in Windsor Castle. The Roman couple were illustrated in a newspaper standing around the Christmas tree. Letters to Santa. British children write letters to Santa Claus. However, they burn them in the fireplace so that Santa can read the ashes. Christmas lights. Christmas lights are popular all over England, with Oxford Street being the most popular since 1959. Christmas stockings. On Christmas Eve, children and youth hang stockings on their fireplaces so that Santa can fill them up. Christmas pudding. The traditional British Christmas pudding is a make-ahead, steamed fruit-filled dessert which is set alight when served. Christmas crackers. In the UK, during Christmas parties, they decorate their festive tables with Christmas crackers. The royal message. Every Christmas Day, television broadcasts a message from the Queen. This tradition started in 1932 with King's Room. Many families celebrate Christmas traditions by organizing tea parties where they eat a lot of mince pies and cakes. Christmas in Germany. St. Nicholas Day. On 5th December, all the children in Germany clean and polishes their boots and leave them outside the door to be filled by St. Nicholas with nuts, candy and small gifts.
Krampus night. Krampus works with St. Nicholas. His role is to teach naughty children a lesson. In certain areas in Germany, men dress up in Krampus costumes and roam around the streets on St. Nicholas night.
Advent calendar. The Advent calendar is
calendar for the 4 weeks before Christmas. Children use this as a countdown for Christmas. Every day the children open a window in the Advent calendar and find a poem, part of a story, candy, or a small gift.
The Advent tree tradition. It is a tradition which started in Germany. The Advent tree is a circle of evergreen leaves, pine cones, berries, and Christmas ornaments, with 4 candles placed in the middle. A candle is burnt every Sunday up to Christmas Day. Some families include the 5th candle and light it up on Christmas Day or Christmas Eve.
Christmas markets. Christmas markets are a tradition which originated in Germany and have now spread to many other countries.
Beverages. Fire Tongue Punch. Fire Tongue Punch is a traditional beverage enjoyed by adults. It is a mixture of rum with high alcohol level and mulled wine. The mixture would be then set on flames.
Christmas Stolen. The Christmas Stolen is a tradition during Christmas cake. This cake is made from flour, dried fruit, nuts, and spices. It is sprinkled with powdered sugar and sometimes zest.
Lackkachen. Lackkachen is a German Christmas tree. It is very much like the gingerbread man. It is made by mixing several ingredients, amongst which are honey, a number of spices and nuts.
Christmas traditions in Scotland. Did you know Christmas in Scotland was banned for over 400 years? The Scottish stopped celebrating Christmas because of the religious unrest from the 1550s up to 1958. You'll see Christmas trees lighting up people's houses and wreaths on the front door. People put presents under the Christmas tree. And on Christmas Eve, they leave a mince pie for Father Christmas and a nice tasty carrot for Rudolph. Yule bread is a tasty Christmas bake made with caraway seeds and plated into a three-thread loaf. The loaf is turned into a circle to represent the sun. Now I pray a Merry Christmas.
Christmas traditions in Italy. In Italy, Christmas is celebrated from early December till the day of the Epiphany, 6th January. Nowadays, Babbo Natale, the Father Christmas, brings presents to children on Christmas Eve. But traditionally, in Italy, gifts are exchanged on the 6th January by La Befana. La Befana is an old lady that comes into houses and gives sweets and gifts to good children and cold to naughty children. In front of St. Peter's Cathedral in the Vatican City, during Christmas Eve, a midnight mass is held there by the Pope. A typical Christmas sweet is the panettone. In South Italy and Rome, bagpipe playing shepherds perform tunes and pretzels, normally dressed in traditional sheepskin and wool cloaks. Naples is well known for Christmas crepes, in Italian called presepe la fine buon Natale.
known helps Father Christmas deliver the presents. In Norway, children pick presents under the Christmas tree. Then they read the tag on the presents aloud. In Norway, the way to say Merry Christmas is either God Jul or Gladelig Jul. Norwegian Christmas meals. Most of the Norwegians eat rib, a pig, pinnekjot, a lamb, or lutefisk, on Christmas Eve. Another tradition in Norway is that one will win a marzipan pig if he or she finds the almond that is hidden in the Christmas pudding that is served after Christmas lunch. God Jul.
Christmas in Russia. Russian Christmas is celebrated on January 7th. Only some Catholics celebrate it on 25th December. In the days of the Soviet Union, Christmas was not celebrated very much. New Year was made into the important time. Following the revolution in 1917, Christmas was banned as a religious holiday in 1929, and Christmas trees were banned until 1935 when they turned into New Year trees. If people did want to celebrate Christmas, they had to do it in secret, just in their families. After the collapse of the Soviet Union in 1991, people were free to celebrate Christmas again, but it's still a quieter and smaller holiday in Russia after the big New Year celebration.
Father Christmas in Russia is called Ded Moroz, who long ago became the symbol of Russian winter, New Year's, and presents. He is usually accompanied by his granddaughter Snegurushka, also known as the Snow Maiden, riding with an evergreen tree in a traditional Russian troika, a sleigh drawn by 3 horses abreast. Snegurushka sits on his shoulders and delivers presents on Christmas.
Szczęśliwe Rożdżeństwo, papa!